Merry Christmas to you, my dear. This is Miss Tania Lou of Canada. What a so plastic, stupendous Christmas we are having. Lord, my child, me just want to send on a howdy do and greetings here from Canada. It's nice, but it cold here this year Christmas. But me can't forget to say hello and greetings to my friends in Jamaica and Canada and America and around the world. Yes, to my vintage Jamaica yardy Facebook friend them and Miss Dore. Yes, Audrey Diana, Jamaica so nice. Yeah, man, Xavier Murphy him can interview people from all over the world. You know, Jamaicans that live all over the world. Me love to watch him too. And me just want big up Miss Letna Allen for Order of Distinction from Jamaica for cultural contributions. And Lord, my child, how me can forget Miss Faye, Auntie Faye Hellington there in Jamaica. Lord, my child, me did write her to tell her, oh, me just like her. She's so bununu. So when she write me, Lord, me nearly drop down kukunku when she write me. Lord, Miss Faye, oh, you're so sweet. Me love your old-time Christmas video. Them, yes. So Miss Tania Lou here just a reminisce about Christmas. But hey, uno here say Santa might not be able to figure out no gift on the 25th in a time of a quarantine for 14 days because of COVID. So the picnic they might not get no gift till January 7th or 8th time of a quarantine. And for those people who love curry goat, Lord, me child, me no know if we not go get it, because the goat them say they pass strike. Them say them nah go get no curry goat. So no go curry on no mama. Lord, me child that me here. Them say them nah get no curry goat. So me darling child, when goat meat done, where curry I go do? We can't use saltfish this Christmas. So we have to go turn we and make fashion. Lord, me child. Listen now, remember when I was a picnic? My granny, she used to make the black cake. And I just love when she rub up the butter and sugar and all the ingredients. Them enough to make the cake for send abroad to all the family them. When she don't put the ingredients them in the tin, whatever left over, we lick it out. We lick the wooden spoon. Remember the wooden spoon? And we never did have none of them mixer them time then. A wooden spoon we use. And I remember I lick the wooden spoon with the butter and sugar and the butter were left. Don't it? You remember that? And look here, in my house, me still keep this tradition, the cards on a string. Wanna see it? Yes, my dear, cards all from the year before and the year before. Me have it out. It's just a wonderful memory when you get handwritten notes from people that you love. Yes, my child. And so that is a tradition I have kept. And of course, our Christmas tree. You can't forget the Christmas tree. And you know, saying in Jamaica, days before Christmas, weeks, people have out them lights all over. Right? Them follow the Western tradition. And not to mention Grand Market night, Christmas Eve, when we go out down and a halfway tree or downtown and all the store them open and you get your nice gift them and nice clothes. When my uncle, my family member them would buy nice things for us. Yes, and we children would look at the Christmas light ceremony. Yeah, man. And of course, we have the University Chapel Chorale, Christmas Chorale. We can't forget that. Oh no, remember all these nice Christmas carol, our Jamaican style Christmas carol, like let me tell you now, Yellow Man. Him take the song Chestnuts Roasting on an Open Fire and him make a nice Christmas carol. Yeah, man. Breadfruit roasting on an open fire. Mongrels nipping at your toes. Dancehall songs being sung by a choir, and we dress up in our bashment clothes. Yeah, man, I remember Colleen Davis, Santa Claus. Do you ever come to the ghetto, Santa Claus? Do you ever wonder why we suffer so? Yeah, man. That song, I really like it. And of course, you have Derek, Harriet, Chariot. Remember when him sing, Jesus was born today, born in a manger. That was a nice song. Yeah, man. And of course, you cannot forget Faith the Aguilar song, Santa sit up in a mango tree. You know, say, we don't have no chimney in a freeway house them back home. So our Santa come down in a mango tree. But remember, same they get ketchup in there and peony while they did help fi guide him, right? And donkey take him fi give out all the present them. Yes, my child, are having such nice Christmas memories here, you know. And even though with COVID and everything, we just have to try and make do, and we just have to try and do what is most important and love our friends and our family and be kind to everyone. So me can't leave on, without telling no why we have sorrel. You see sorrel? Our Jamaican punch this, You know how sorrel get it name? Is a Nancy make it. Him did find one little red berry and never know what the red thing name. So in go a grand market for try swap it. And him try swap it with the ought to eat woman and say, me can't swap me red thing for your one red thing. And the ought eat woman say, no, me not swap it. You have to tell me what your red thing name, but a Nancy never know what film red thing name. So of course, the ought eat woman and some other people no want teeth him red thing to find out what is this thing him have. So a Nancy him run away with the red thing. So him no want nobody catch him, and everybody a run after him for try catch this red thing out time hand. And a Nancy take the red thing, I know him do. Throw it inside a big pot of boiling water. It was the hominy corn woman pot. And she was about to throw her corn, and a Nancy threw the red thing in there and it turned red. And the people them said, Lord, that look like blood. Lord, what that? And Nancy said, Lord, what that? And Smarty said, look like wine. And Nancy now use him head and them said, a wine. But when them taste it, them say, but this not taste good. And Nancy said, me not finish with me wine yet. So Nancy see some sugar and he throw it in the pot. Right? And then him throw some cinnamon and ginger. And when him taste it, him said, Lord, this is nice. Oh, it's so real. It's so real. It's so nice. It's so real. And people hear him say, so real. And him say, it name so real. Me want some of that so real. And everybody had tasted it. I said, that's so real. Tastes good. And so from that day on in true Jamaican fashion, so real turns sorrel. And that is why it names sorrel. And see me, I drink it, yeah? And me have my black cake for drink too, for eat. And me sorrel for drink and me cake for eat. Lord, my child, me have a little rum in there too. Then me can't end without a wriggle, Wriggle me this, wriggle me that, guess me this wriggle and perhaps not. If the end of the year is December 31st, right? Then what is the end of Christmas? Wanna give up? Is S. The end of Christmas is S. Lord, my child, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. And just remember, it is all about loving and caring for one another. All right? Merry Christmas. Cheers from Miss Tania Lou, Canada. Nice. Take care. Bye.